Just open this up, kind of wrap it, see if I have everything. Sadly, this is all I have, no instructions. Looking at these guys, looks like I got a driver and a passenger side. And these clips I've never done before, but we'll try it. So I got no protection underneath the motor. So I'm gonna put that skid plate, try to get that better off. I believe it mounts to those two holes. So I'm gonna clean it. So it's stuck in there now. I need to tighten those bolts. And I think those things mushroom out, and then I'll take it out. Well, she's in there. Now for the other side. Got the other side going. Then I'll have to figure out where else to go. So working on this next rear bolt. Got the bolts that the skid plate will slide into.